Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Mr. Hopkins again, and welcome back to the art room. Oh, it's not the art room, right? Where are we?
In the woods.
We're in the woods. We're out in nature. And by this moment, I hope you took a little bit of time and looked at the videos that I showed you about the artist Andy Goldsworthy. Andy Goldsworthy was an artist. He was a sculptor, which means he made things that were three-dimensional and things that you could walk around and enjoy from all sides. But more than just a sculpture, he was a sculptor who worked with things from nature: wood, dirt, stone, ice, leaves, sticks. So he would build these things in nature, and most of the things that he would build in just one day. So do you think if he made something using nature, using sticks and leaves and ice and wood, do you think it's something that could last forever? Or do you think it's something that eventually would kind of just like fall apart and just like break apart?
Because the leaves would get brown.
Yeah, it wouldn't last. These sculptures that he made wouldn't always last. So he would take a picture of them just for memory, so he can look back at that moment in time when he made something in nature. He's one of my favorite sculptors, three-dimensional artists out there. Not all of this stuff would last just a day or two. Some stuff, he does make things that last forever, but in general, he would go out for a day on a hike by himself, and he would construct and build things using items from nature, three-dimensional sculptures. So what I want you to do for this project is go for a walk. Right now we're at Briarbush Nature Center in Abington.
But
so, what?
This is not the mystery woods.
This is not the mystery woods. We have a couple cool spots that we like to go when we want to go for walks. This is just convenient because it's not that far from our house. But go for a walk somewhere. Go out for a hike and build something using things that are all around you. So if I just look around right now, what do we see, Jared?
Leaves.
Leaves.
We
All
see
these
wood.
really cool, we see wood, we see like these really cool wood chips. I see logs, rocks, stones, leaves. So Charlie and I are going to work together, and we're going to build something using all these items from nature, and we're going to share it with you at the end, and hopefully this inspires you to go out for a walk, for a hike, and build something using
wood chips, wood, leaves, stone.
whatever, right? Bark. I'm looking at bark right now, using anything that you can find that's found in nature. Ice would be a tough one right now. That's not going to be possible. Well, he would work in the winter too. So, can't do that. But I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to start now. And hopefully I'm going to train the camera on what we're building, and then you'll see it in sort of like a time-lapsed video. So we're going to speed it up as you watch what we're making, so the video is not like 2 hours long. Okay? So I hope you like what we make out of nature. All right, so enjoy. Ready to start building?
Yeah.
See you in a little bit. Ideas? All right, so this is going to be our spot right here. I say Andy Goldsworthy always started with a circle like this. See what I'm doing a circle. And I think it would be cool. Was it?
It was just a tiny little stone.
Where are we going to put that one?
It's special, so we put it in the middle. Right there.
What's your favorite part?
I like the moat around, and I like when we we turned it around on the
Flip the leaves. Because the back of the leaf we discovered was like lighter than the other side. So 2 different types of green.
Oh, no. Fell.
Yeah, fix it. It's probably not going to last long, but Andy Goldsworthy, his artwork, yeah, and the ants are taking over. And when Andy Goldsworthy did this, the sculptures that he made out of nature, they didn't last long either.
That's like the ant nest.
The ant nest.
Look how many ants are on there.
Where?
See them? Right there.
Yeesh.